happy Monday, guys. I hope that you all have had a wonderful weekend. First off, let me start off by saying Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I think I said that already. Just happy holidays to everyone. I hope that you all had a safe, wonderful, and joyous Christmas and New Year's, or whatever you may celebrate. I just want to say thank you guys for sticking around with me. I know I kind of disappeared closer to the ending of the year, but things actually got a little bit hectic with me. I was in an accident at 7 months pregnant, then I got married in September, then I had a baby in October, and now I'm just trying to get back into the groove of things. So I appreciate you all sticking around with me. I'm trying to be more active on YouTube, so hopefully this year I'll be able to do that. And I also recently changed my intro, so I hope you guys like that as well. So today I'll be sharing a Born Pretty store stamping plate review, and let's just take a look at the plate and see what nail art I came up with it. So here we have the cover that the stamping plates usually come in. It is very pretty with the white and the gold, and it gives you a sticker with the name of the plate and the number. So this is Pure World L001, and when you flip it over, you can see that they do give you a list of instructions as to how you are able to use a plate for stamping. It says that you have to use the Born Pretty stamping polish. You can use that, but if you don't have a Born Pretty stamping polish, you technically could use any other stamping polish you have in your collection, and even some mainstream polishes stamp as well. So now I'm just going to be taking the stamping plate out of the protective covering, and as you see, it does have the protective blue film on it to prevent it from getting any scratches. This is a larger stamping plate, so there are 10 images in total. They would work best with full nails, and you can even use them on shorter nails as well. I am totally loving all of the images on this plate. There's so many things that you can do with the images, but for my look I just decided to keep it simple because I actually wasn't sure what I wanted to do, to be honest. So FYI, before you attempt to do any stamping, you actually have to remove that blue film or it will not work. And as you can see, I am struggling here a bit to get it to peel up, but once you do get it to peel up, you just remove it and then you'll be able to have a better access to the images. Look at how clean and crisp that plate looks. I love a new stamping plate when I haven't used it and there's no scratches or anything on it. It just looks so fresh and pretty. So now you can get a better idea and a glimpse of the images that are on the plate. I'll be using the sunflower looking one that's in the top left hand corner, or bottom right hand corner, because the plate is upside down for whatever reason, but that's the image that I will be using to do my stamping nail design. So here you'll see me just testing out some of the images to show you guys how well they actually do pick up. I did go in with the same color that I'll be using for my nail art look. I decided to go with this image. I didn't have enough polish there, but I somehow managed to get it to work. And then I'll just be going in and picking up the image with my stamper. And as you can see here, once I get my camera in focus, there we go, you can see how well it picked up the image, even though I was missing some polish in that corner there. But the stamping plate is really well etched, and then I'm just rolling it onto my lint roller so that you can get a better idea of what the image looks like and how it picks up. I'll probably do this again, maybe with black and a different color next time, just to give you guys like a better variety and a better idea of how the colors work with the different images. And I'll probably put it on like a piece of paper or something next time instead of showing it on the stamper, but I figured I would show it on the stamper. So next I will be going in with this rose, like this cluster rose image, which is really pretty. I can see myself using this for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day, and I'll just be going in doing the same thing, picking it up. I actually made a mistake there and I rolled the excess polish that I had, so you'll see me trying to do this again because clearly I just don't know what I was doing. So I basically just re-scrape that and try it again. Yep, here we go. So I'm trying again because I realized that the image wasn't gonna show properly with the excess polish. So now I'm just going to try to pick this up again with my stamper, and there you have it. So I was able to successfully get the image picked up, and as you can see, picked up the detailing and everything so wonderfully. So the plate is really well etched, and it is a good plate to have in your collection, in my opinion, if you don't have anything like this in your collection. So here I go again. I'm just gonna place the image onto my lint roller just to give you guys an idea of what it looks like when you stamp it onto your nail. So I was gonna stop with those two images, but I just really had to try this butterfly image. It is so gorgeous. I just needed to see how well it picked up with my stamper and with the stamping plate. So I'm using the exact same yellow stamping polish. Just gonna go ahead and lightly scrape the excess off there, and then I'll be coming in and doing a rolling motion so that you can get an idea of how this picks up. And just take a look at this. Look at how well it picked up that image. Look at the lines, look at the detailing. It's so wonderful. It even caught some of the other image, the other butterfly image. So that just goes to show you, like, very well etched plate. Alright, so onto the nail art. I'll be using Color Club, Where's the Soiree, as my base color for this stamping nail art look. I love this polish because it actually is a one coater, and it is just so easy and smooth to use. As always, I'll be going in and using my Girly Bits Water Rush top coat to help speed up the drying process so that I can go ahead and get the stamping done quicker. Next, I'll be going in and using some of my favorite latex barrier by Girly Bits Cosmetics called Border Patrol. I absolutely live by this stuff because it really does help to make the cleanup process that much easier. Okay, and here we'll be taking a closer look at all of the gorgeous images that are on this plate. Do forgive me if earlier I did say that the plate has 10 large images. It's actually 12 large images. I clearly cannot count, but yes, it is 12 wonderful images that you can do things like reverse stamping, double stamping. Like, there's so many options with this plate. So the stamping polish that I'll be using for this look is called Mundo de Unos Neon Yellow, or MDU Neon Yellow. And as you can see, I'll just be going ahead using this sunflower image and just applying just enough that I'll be able to cover the image once I scrape it. And then I will be going in and using a rolling motion with my clear jelly stamper Big Bling to pick up the image. And I know some people do prefer to press down, but I do prefer to use a rolling image. So then when I am going to go and stamp it onto my nail, I do press firmly down onto the nail just to make sure that it is going to transfer perfectly and I'm not going to have any issues. Next, I'll be going ahead and adding some of these gorgeous Chameleon flakes from Born Pretty store. To be honest with you, I was gonna leave it just a simple black and yellow, but I don't know, I felt like I needed some extra pizzazz. So you can see me here just using an eyeshadow applicator and just picking up a little bit of the Chameleon flakes, and I'm just dabbing it into the nail, and then I use the applicator to rub it in to give it that gorgeous sheen underneath. And then I'm going ahead and removing the latex barrier from around my cuticles, and then I'll just be doing a quick cleanup but off camera. And now that I have everything cleaned up, I'll be going in with my last and final top coat of Girly Bits Cosmetics Water Rush. Alright, and here we have the final look. I absolutely think adding those flakies was the perfect additional touch, guys. I just couldn't leave it as a simple black and yellow stamping mani. As you can see, these turned out really great, and I think the next time though I'll use the butterfly images. So again, I just want to say a big thank you for you guys for sticking around with me. I do have things planned for 2020, so we'll see how that goes. As always guys, please do give my video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you liked or disliked the video. As always, please do subscribe to my channel, and as always, stay glamorous.